Hello, good afternoon all. This is Suran from Findadmission, and today I will be walking you through a simulated demo session for this virtual fair. Once you have logged into your account, this is how and what the dashboard looks like. And to begin with, we can select the View Event button here, or alternately, you can just go to your left-hand side and click on Virtual Fairs and Event. So once you have clicked on virtual phase of event, you can see the current events that will pop out here. So just for this demonstration, I have named this session as virtual fair demonstration, and you have the date of the event and the starting time of the event as well. So just down there you have total registration details, account number, and all other details as well. And to set it up, we should add the boot setup and also add a chat hosting as well. So coming to the boot setup, all you have to do is upload your boot image that is which will look like this. So once I have selected this is how your boot image will look like, and once you have received this image from our end, what you have to do is upload it in this boot setup. So once it's uploaded, all you have to do is click on the button over here, and this will upload your boot image and the boot setup completes. Secondly, the most important thing is to add a teammate to your host or chat host team. Before you do that, make sure you have added your teammates or your colleague to your institute profile. To do that, you have to click on settings, come all the way here, and you can add your teammates like this. And with the help of add account button, you have to put their first name, last name, email address, job title, country, and phone number. And once you have added, the teammate will pop like this, and make sure you update all those permissions. And so for this I have selected, or you can select individually, or you can select all them all at once. So once you have click on select all, what I have to do is I just go on, click on update button over here. So I have assigned the permission, same I'm going to do with the country as well. So again, for the country, I have also select all the countries for this demonstration purpose and click on update. So once it's updated, again I will go back to virtual fairs event, and then I will look into the one which I have added, and just to make sure the one you have added will have a green tick next to the name of that person. So I will just search it, scroll all the way down, and here it is. This is my name, and once I have selected, there you go, I have a green tick next to my name. And also down here it says 2 co-hosts selected, and they will receive notifications and permission. So since I have already assigned the permission, what I have to do is just click on select host. So before I click on add host, I want to make one thing clear, is the primary host can only share the screen in the time of the event, meaning the second co-host won't be able to share the screen from their end. They can only reply to the chat that we will see in this demonstration session. So the next thing what I have to do is click on add and select co-host, and once it does, everything sets up, and then I will just go here and click on start event. So this is how it looks. This is your booth, and just to make you familiar, this is the live chat, and how many views are there, and in this chat room for you. And in chat room you have a direct message option, group chat, and let's go back to the live stream. I'll just click on here, and once I go live, I just click on go live and give all the necessary permission that needs to be given just to go live. And I can also share my screen like this. I'll just share what I am currently viewing like this. So I can see and I can present about my university, that will be the program my university is having, the country, about the accommodation, about the student life, so that everything that's student needs to know in order to make their life and the decision easy to study in abroad. So similarly, I would like to go to the student perspective and show you how it will look like from a student point of view. So I'll just drag this down, and so this is a student profile. Okay, so as a student I will just go to the virtual event like the institute, and I can see how many institutes are live at the moment, and those students, those universities that have live, I can see the live button over here. And also if I want to view as a student, if I want to view the university profile, I can select see profile, and that gives me all the detail that I need to know. So this is where your profile completion comes into play. As a student, I can see all the requirements before even I join your group and attend your presentation. Okay, so this is where I can make, as a student, I can make my decision in my backend and decide which university virtual fair or booth I can join in this 3-hour time. So this is where the institute's profile comes into the play. This has everything one student needs to know, and if I want to if I want to look into it, I just double click on here, and I can see what you guys are presenting at the moment. Okay, and I can also, as a student, I can ask questions. So for scholarships, right, that's a main question that's been asked. So from the student profile, I have asked hello to offer scholarship, and you can see the live chat that pops out. And again, let's go back to the university profile, that is institute profile over here, and the name, the student Suran is asking some questions, and I can answer it for that student, and I also can see the views here. So alternately, I would recommend 2 of you from each university to join, one who will present the presentation, and the other one will be taking care of the chat box. So as the student comes in, one should be ready to answer the questions, and if they want to also direct message any students or reply to the direct messages, they can go here and answer the questions for that student. So yes, that is all you should know about this details. And also, yes, I forgot to mention, you can also share the files over here. You can also share your presentation, booking form, or whatever needs to be shared. We do have a good internet connection to avoid any inconvenience at the day of the event. And this is all I want to cover. And before I wrap this thing up, after the event, you can always come here in the previous event, and you can see all those details over here uh, that is listed, and you can download the files or download the list of attendees as well. So this is how you download it after the event, and this is all what I have to share with you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Findadmission.